Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download and sign up for Bonchat. First, unlock your phone and open the Google Play Store. Once you are inside the Play Store, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Type Bonchat and press search. Now tap the install button. Wait a few moments while the app downloads and installs on your device. This may take some time depending on your internet speed. After the installation is complete, open the app. You can also find the app on your home screen or in your app drawer and open it from there. When you open Bonchat for the first time, you will see a screen asking for a server ID, IP address, or domain. This step is important because Bonchat does not have public servers. It only works with private servers that are created and managed by organizations. To continue, you need to get the server ID or details from the organization that invited you. Once you have this information, type it carefully into the required field. If your organization has provided a QR code instead, you can use the scan option inside the app. Tap on the scan button and point your camera at the QR code. The app will automatically detect and fill in the server details. Now you are ready to use Bonchat. Thanks for watching.